Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nick here, and today we're just doing some flying after repairing the SuperEZ. Yeah, it's not really ideal smacking any plane into a telegraph pole, so you'll see throughout the video. Enjoy. Might bring it back a little bit too. This is half the fun, I think, of flying. Filming and flying is the best. I know I'm out here talking to myself, but eventually once this video gets edited and blah blah blah, you guys will be able to see it too. So this is the third flight, or third outing anyway, with the repaired SuperEZ. So guys, as you'll be able to tell, I've got a bit of a different paint job. Yeah, I've just had some acrylic paints that I've just whacked over the top. Didn't like the color. I thought first crash, snapped the nose off right here, telegraph pole over there, decided to take off on the road, as you guys saw. All that fun footage. Yeah, so it came together pretty well. That's just a little bit of like spack filler, kind of drywall repair. Everything else was pretty much fine. Just bumped the nose off, and when I say bump the nose off, it came clean off. Right across here too, so the landing gear was still in the front section of the plane. And I snapped my prop. So this is a master air screw, which is, in my opinion, not as good a finish as the FMS brand 10x5 prop for this aircraft. I had to balance it with a bit of tape, and it still doesn't seem to be quite running the same way as my last prop. Get our little hatch off. Another thing that I noticed, actually I'll talk you through what I'm doing here. So I put a little bit of Velcro just on this side so it holds up my straps, and on the other side as well, just while I'm getting the battery in, but it's really not a big deal. This really is a pain in the backside, all this extra foam. Although it is a trainer, maybe I would have preferred it a little, the whole airframe thicker, the fuselage thicker, just to give it more room. This barely fits the 2200 in here. So if you wanted to fit a large 4S pack, that'd be a pain in the butt. Even just getting the flight alarm in here is a bit of a pain. I have to slip it in further. I usually put the front end in first, but this is just a bit of a nuisance to fit the flight alarm. Before I was just sitting on top, but it really isn't the best place for it. Ooh-yah. Let's keep the elevator up, eh? And she's got some frickin' beams. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. The plane flies beautifully after its very simplistic repairs. You know, a little bit of weld bond, a little bit of spac filler, dodgy paint job, and you're good to go. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.